Hi everyone, Hannah here. So this is the mini mixed media for the month of November. So whenever you get your package, you'll receive something like this, and we'll pull it out so you can see what all you get. So you will be getting a 5x7 canvas panel. You'll also receive a wooden frame. This is I think it's a 4x6. Let me see. Oh, this doesn't say. I think it's either a 3.5x5 or 4x6, one of the two. Yeah, something like that, because this is 5x7, so this is somewhere in that range. 3.5 by 5 or 4x6. You'll also get either a wooden or chipboard piece with a saying on it. It might say "Let It Snow," or have some other saying on there. So you'll get that. That way, I like to have titles on my mixed media projects. So. So that's something, that I like to do. You'll also get some chipboard pieces from Prima's new Merry and Bright collection. So you'll get 3 pieces of those. They are adhesive, where you can pull the back off of them. And I also like to add some extra glue that way to make sure it sticks to the project over time. You'll also get some flowers. You'll also get a bag of some fake snow. And you'll get some little flat back pearls. And then you'll get a little bag. In your little bag, you're going to be getting a container. These are 1/2 ounce containers. One of them will have white gesso. The other one will have Stormy Ocean paint. Really, really beautiful color. Here's what the color of it is. If it picks it up, it's a dark blue-green color. It's really, really pretty. And you'll also get, since this month we're not doing the paint brushes and palette knives, this is the every other month where you don't receive that if you are, an existing subscriber. Then you also will receive a 1/2 ounce container of white pearl wax paste. It's absolutely beautiful. So I think it will look really, really good with our color scheme, our project this month. So that's what you will receive in the kit. Now, if you are a new subscriber, you will receive a paintbrush and palette knife. And like I said, in place for the existing customers that won't be getting the palette knife and paintbrush, you'll be getting the wax paste and the fake snow and the little flat back pearls included in the kit. So those are just some extras to take the place of, because I don't want to see you do without. The idea is to, we don't want you to get cluttered up with, glue, paintbrushes, palette knives, but we do want to send other items that you can use, whether in this project or in another project. So we are going to go ahead and get started on our tutorial for this month's mini mixed media. If you have any questions at all, feel free to let us know. These kits can be purchased on our website at danagirlsdesigns.com. If we're not having a sale, you can use Grand 20. That will get you 20% off. Also, these kits sell or ship for $5. First class shipping. So that's a change that we made, I believe it was last month, just to kind of help so you're not having to pay, $10 or more for priority mail. You could just have it shipped for $5, first class shipping. Right now, with the way things are with the post office, it's kind of about the same. So, but anyway, let's go ahead and get started on our tutorial. So the first thing that I'm going to do is paint the wooden pieces with gesso. That will prime it, for us to add the paint to it next. So after letting the gesso dry, now I'm coming back with the Stormy Ocean paint and painting, the chipboard word, Let It Snow, or whatever title it is that you receive with your kit. That's what I'm painting. That way it'll make the title really pop. So now I'm going to start gluing everything down. Now another option, if you wanted to go ahead and decorate your frame first, you could before you glue it on to the panel. I will end up putting the white pearl wax paste on the frame. So that is an option if you wanted to go ahead and do that now before the project gets messy. Otherwise, you can just wait and do it at the end, or you can paint it with the Stormy Ocean paint, or just leave it as it is. You can also add a picture, or I'm adding one of the journaling cards from this month's Merry and Bright collection, but you can add pretty much anything. Basically, I'll be using this as some home decor, maybe sit it up on the fireplace for our Christmas decorations. And, that's a good idea. You could even add you know, a little bracket on the back and a little nail and just hanging on your wall. There's different ideas, you know, that you could do with it. So basically I'm just gluing down the embellishments, and I've got some foam adhesive pieces, you know, that I will be adding to the bottom of Let It Snow. And I believe the last time, a couple months ago, I think we had included the foam pieces in the kits, so you might still have them from that. So now I'm going to add the snow to our project, and the easiest way to do this is to apply some glue directly onto the spot where we will be putting the snow. And I just like to paint it on there with the brush and then dip the brush in the snow, that way it sticks to it. And then I just kind of roll it around, or you know, however, to get the snow off onto the project. And so I'm basically just going to be adding that in different areas onto our project here. So I'm just adding the last little bit of touches, adding some of that wax paste onto the frame. And that will conclude the project for this month. This is a fun project, and it's a small project where it's easy to handle. You know, it's manageable. And But if you have any questions at all, feel free to let me know. And thank you so much for watching.